Greeting viewers. Welcome back to another video. So in this video, we are going to sort a list entered by the user in ascending order without using the sort function. Then we are going to accept another integer and add it to the list according to the order. So if you want to attempt it, then pause the video and give it a try. Now let us begin with the code. First, we are going to define an empty list named list. Now for I in range 1, 6, 1. Well, this is based on you as it depends on how much input you want. So now we define another list named list1 which is equal to int input. Enter the numbers you want in the list bracket close. Colon. List.append list1. Now we will define another list named new underscore list which is out of the indentation. While list colon. Minimum equal to list bracket 0. For x in list colon. If x is less than the minimum, then minimum equal to x. So basically this part says that while we are in the list, minimum is a variable that is equal to the first input by the user, that is the index value 0. Now for another variable I in the list, if x is minimum, then the value of minimum, then minimum is gonna take the value of x. I hope that it is clear till here. Now we will continue with the coding. If you remember, then we had created an empty list as new underscore list. So we are going to add the value of minimum to this new list. New underscore list dot append minimum. Also removing the value from the list, we write list dot remove minimum. So here we are over with the first part of the question. Now we will continue with the question. So this is another empty list defined as list2. Variable is equal to int input, enter one more variable. So adding s to new underscore list, we type new underscore list append a. So this would be the final list named as final underscore list. Now we are gonna follow the same pattern as we did it above. While new list. Least is equal to new underscore list 0. For z in new underscore list colon. If z is less than least, then least equal to z. So list underscore final dot append least. Also new underscore list dot remove least. Now we are going to print the final list as print final list is comma. List underscore final. So as you can see, it has sorted the input on its own and displayed it in ascending order. So if you liked the video, then give it a thumbs up by pressing the like button. If you watching my videos for the first time, then take a moment for subscribing the channel. Thanks for watching.